Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are good. God bless you friends and always be happy. So friend, in this video you will see many different and gorgeous latest and unique designs for handmade embroidery designs. These designs are so stunning and so beautiful. So friends, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. Most handmade patterns on your basic friendly stitches such as a single crochet stitches. This pattern design are simple to make will look stylish and so unique little one. These handmade lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work and get their shine more and more. This colorful pattern used on your dresses, dupatta and everyday. This crochet handmade design looking are so beautiful and so unique. So here this sweet idea for creating this frock winning design of by using some custom color shaded on your dresses pattern design. I hope you enjoy this collection of handmade embroidery designs pattern. If you like to handmade embroidery design more patterns, check out of the crochet pattern collection below. These designs used your dresses and frock designs. This is a pattern for the beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more update pattern, decent pattern design. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me and remember, me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.